Now you're recording.
No, it was recording a minute ago.
Look up the top left, do you see a counter?
Aye, it's just started.
That means then you're recording now.
Right, so starting again. I've just done it and made a fool's it. So what I was saying, right, is this is a field I'm at today, and I'm actually doing it at my local river. Now we swim here in the summer and we've got a lovely bit, but where it is, I know there's gold, because everywhere I go about here I take my wee sampling kit. I'm no a heavy gold prospector yet, but I have gotten a lot of hours of geology in and learnt a lot about old stuff. So basically, I've learnt about the land, and when there's that much rock below that much sand, and then you've got a field that's a mile long, then you know this has actually been a riverbed into this town at one point. Could have been 1,000 years ago, who knows, maybe 200, 300 years ago. I've no photographic evidence, I can't find any, I've tried. But where I'm close to is in Scotland, the Scottish borders. I found that there's actually 3 volcanoes that actually are down in Galashiels, a town in the Scottish borders called Galashiels, and volcanoes in Scotland. I thought there was only Edinburgh Castle and Arthur's Seat, but no. This is what I use. Last time I came here I took this pot. As you can see, it's got little microscopic holes in it. That's for cleaning the gravel down, because it makes it easier when you're panning. Now this is my wee peg basket for the house. I took that out because this is great for dropping down your stones, your bigger stones, checking there's no big nuggets in it, like, and then throwing it away. And then I classify with this first, obviously, because, well, sometimes with that first, it varies. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to dig out some of this, because this is your layers of gravel that are down that high for the actual field. Because there's been a mass flood, it's great because you can always see the gold. Now you see how far down this river goes. That's the actual riverbed for 200 or 300 years ago, easy. And I never thought this was possible. It's actually in a field. But as you go along here, you can see what's been washed away here is a whole banking, so I have to be careful I don't fall in. But if you can see that, it runs right along and it lifts up. Now there's a lot of heavies right at the bottom, right over here. So I want to try and get down to the bottom of there for gold, because it'll be on this line. It's always at the lowest point, and because I'm in a field, my indicators are these big rocks. I'm looking for heavy rock dropouts, and then I'll dig there. Now last time I was here I took a sample in my wee plant pot and I got about 20 wee flakes, I mean flower gold, but 20, it was actually quite a good indicator that I'm on the right place. Now I don't use a metal detector, I didn't believe in it. I believe you should do this like a game. It's like a game of chess. If you can outwit your opponent, you've won. So I'm going to now dig up some of this, and what I will do is I'll take it back to the house where it's brighter, and then we'll wash it up and see what we can find inside that. But this is where I took a sample from last time. That I reckon if it shows it, does it not? That wee hole, this is a hole here. I just took that much the last time, and actually I know it's not the lowest point or that, but I just tested it, and that's where I got 20 colours the last time, which is incredible, especially when you look at the height of sand. Now imagine how many years it's took for that to form, and then for it to turn into this, a field. See, I'm not kidding, this is a public footpath, and then there's people's houses over in the distance. But that's a horse riding field here. Unbelievable, but you would never think that grass has got this river right next to it. And as I said, it is quite a big river, but when you see where my torch is flashing down to, that's where I'm going to dig up the pay dirt, and then we'll go back to the house. So until then, I'll get back to you then. Goodbye, thank you.